Los Angeles, the City of Angels, is a metropolis nestled between the Pacific Ocean and mountainous terrain. From the renowned Hollywood sign to the sun-soaked beaches of Santa Monica, the city offers a mosaic of experiences that define the American dream. Hollywood, the epicenter of the entertainment industry, draws dreamers from around the world. The Hollywood Walk of Fame immortalizes cinema legends, while the TCL Chinese Theater hosts countless movie premieres. LA's beaches stretch along the Pacific coastline. From the coastal luxury of Malibu to the diverse street life of Venice Beach and the nostalgic Santa Monica Pier, Los Angeles is a cultural melting pot, with diverse neighborhoods like Koreatown, Little Tokyo, and Chinatown, showcasing a global blend of traditions and culinary delights. The Getty Center and the evolving downtown skyline showcase the city's artistic side. Escape the hustle and bustle at green oases like Griffith Park and Descanso Gardens. These serene landscapes offer hiking trails and a reprieve from urban life. LA is a hub of innovation, with Silicon Beach fostering creativity and technological advances. Sports fans rejoice at legendary venues like the Staples Center and Dodger Stadium. These iconic spots host thrilling games and unforgettable performances. The city is home to many professional sports teams, including the Los Angeles Lakers, the Los Angeles Dodgers, and the Los Angeles Rams. The city is home to a diverse population of over 3.9 million people, representing over 140 countries. This diversity is reflected in the city's culture, cuisine, and art. Downtown LA has undergone a renaissance, with architectural wonders like the Broad Museum and Olvera Street. Los Angeles is a city of dreams, where people come to chase their dreams of fame, fortune, or a better life. Los Angeles is a city of contrasts, with beautiful beaches and sprawling urban sprawl, glamour and fame, but also poverty and crime. Los Angeles is a global center of business, entertainment, fashion, and culture. The city is home to many Fortune 500 companies, including Walt Disney, the Walt Disney Company, Netflix, and many movie studios including Warner Brothers, Paramount Pictures, and Universal Studios. Despite its challenges, Los Angeles is a city that has a lot to offer, constantly changing with new businesses and restaurants opening all the time. Los Angeles is a city full of life and energy, a place that will never cease to amaze you.